simply place it on this and it gets...
Oh no!
Okay, that never happened. That never happened. Hey everyone, my name is Nisha Shetty and welcome to my YouTube channel. So after reading my thumbnail, some of you must be wondering why did I invest in a camera just when I began my YouTube channel. And for people who don't know me, I host live events for a living, and clearly I've been hosting no events since I don't know how many days, weeks and months. And I don't know when I will go back on stage again. Then why did I take this big decision? मैंने अपने जमा पूंजी में से ये हिस्सा निकाल के कैमरा, एक्सेसरीज और इन सारी चीजों में इन्वेस्ट क्यों किया? क्यों? If you're wondering why, you want to know the reason, stay back, and I suggest please stay back. If not, you want to see the unboxing directly, go to this time. Before I get to the reasons, let me quickly tell you something very important. If you are a new YouTuber just like me, please understand, through this video, I'm not suggesting, promoting or recommending that you have to invest in a camera to begin your YouTube journey. To shoot your YouTube videos, all that you need is a phone that has a decent camera. That's it, my friends. In fact, right now I'm shooting on my iPhone 10. I've shot 2 more videos on my phone. I will be uploading them soon. Please remember, at the end of the day, content is the king. And according to me, this is a personal opinion, I think content and your connect with your viewers are 2 things that matter the most. So if you have these 2 things, I don't think you need a fancy high-end camera or a very nice fancy setup. All you need is to be real here and for people to like you and your videos. That's it. So finally, the 3 reasons that made me buy a camera. Number 1, I want my videos to look a certain way. Now this is a very personal thing, but I'm obsessed with blurry backgrounds and the bokeh effect that these YouTubers have, and I wanted it. Now let me tell you, you can achieve that blurry background using your phone camera as well. And in case you want to know how, please do mention in the comments down below. I can shoot a dedicated video explaining that as well. Number 2 is I love to click pictures of other people and to shoot videos. So I do have a GoPro 7. I used to travel a lot, of course, before coronavirus for work. I have done a lot of international travels, and every single time I have shot a lot of videos. I've vlogged my journeys. I come back and I don't know why, I just get busy with my work and I don't end up editing it. So yeah, this will be my personal use camera as well. And number 3 is my obsession for cameras. So even when I was in my junior college back then, I remember I used to give tuitions. I saved up money and bought my first Sony Cybershot camera, which was pink in color. I ended up losing it. Friends, अगर आप मुंबई में travel कर रहे हो BST में, प्लीज अपनी चीजों का ध्यान रखना. मेरे जैसे irresponsible रह के जिप पे खुला मत रखना, कैमरा चोरी हो जाता है. So after I lost it, I again bought another camera and it was another Sony Cybershot. And friends, I actually searched for this camera today. ये वीडियो के लिए मैंने ये ढूंढ के निकाला है and बहुत nostalgic feeling हो रहा है. This is my second camera that I bought, and I don't know why I just stopped using it. Probably the phone camera replaced its use. And let me tell you, even back then, both my cameras had the portrait mode, which gave me that blurry background. So yeah, now you know why I've invested in a camera. So after an extensive research, I narrowed down my choices to 3 cameras. Number 1 is of course the Canon M50 that I bought. Number 2 is the Canon G7X Mark III, which I desperately wanted to buy, and I was hoping that it turns out to be the best, but unfortunately it's not. In fact, I think it's the worst among the 3. And the third one is the Sony a6400. Now if you want to know why, according to me, this is the best camera for someone who's beginning their YouTube journey, please let me know. I can make another video explaining why I chose this. And now let's finally get to the unboxing. So friends, this is my brand new Canon EOS M50. I'm so excited. I love you. Well, this is not my first camera, it's my third camera, but my first mirrorless camera, friends. So this is not a DSLR. Many people have been asking, a DSLR liya kya? Nahin. Let's get to the unboxing. Where's my scissor? By the way, I've ordered this on Amazon, and I'm comfortable ordering things online here. On Amazon, to be specific. Before that, let me quickly tell you, I've received this bag as well. A user manual. There's this warranty card or warranty kit. And of course, you have to register your camera on the Canon site. A camera strap. The first time I have something so fancy here. They provide you with one single battery, and of course, you need to buy a lot of backup batteries. There's this cord, the charging cord of the battery charger. And please forgive me if I make up names or if I make up terms for things, because it's the first time I'm using something like this. So please, I'm sorry. Camera charger. This is a camera charging case. And now finally, guys, I'm so excited. Oh, yeah, by the way, I've got a memory card as well, 16 GB memory card. It's come with the kit. It's so cute and so tiny. So excited. I've received these kit lens. This is a 15 to 45 mm, and I think now I'm going to try and put on the lens on it. Again, I'm doing it for the very first time ever in my life. So I hope I don't fail. I can't believe I'm owning something like this. I never thought, yeah.
Am I doing something wrong? That's it? No. I hope I don't ruin it.
1 hour later.
Done. For someone who's as amateur as me, this is for you. Does it have charge by default? Okay, let me just try. I don't know.
इसको निकालते कैसे? How do you remove it? How the hell do you remove this?
Oh, okay. For people like me, you don't pull this out like this. You just lift it up.
How do you put this in? How do you lock this? Let me try some other way.
2 hours later.
Oh, finally. Okay. I'm so hopeless. Okay, how it works is, let me tell you quickly.
Okay, the arrow. Okay.
The lens, arrow, just inserted this way. For people like me, it has a screen and it rotates. Why is it not rotating? The other way, I hope. Yeah. So yeah, it rotates. So that you can see yourself while you're shooting. Hence, it is considered as one of the best, or rather the best vloggers camera available in the market. Yeah. Now, let me just switch it on for the very first. Okay, I need to remove the case. And मुझे नहीं लग रहा है ये चालू होने वाला है, because of course there's no charge in the battery. But let me just try. You never know.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदें.
They should give some charge in the battery, right? Okay, let me just quickly charge my battery and come back. I just had my dinner and I let my battery charge for a while. I have inserted the battery already, and while I was having food, I figured out how to attach and detach the lens seamlessly, of course, because you saw me struggling way too much in the beginning. So yeah, I figured it out. It's very easy, very, very easy, my friends. Let me show you. So there's this white dot over here. Can you see this little white dot on the camera? And you'll see another white dot over here on the lens. Very simple. Place the white dot on the lens, on the white dot which is on the camera. Simple. Okay, like this, and rotate clockwise. That's it. That's how simple it is. So rotating clockwise is locking, and if you want to unlock it, you have to rotate anti-clockwise. And when you rotate it, you will hear this click sound, which means it's locked. And now to detach, very simple. You'll see this little button on the left hand side of your camera. You have to press it and twist it anti-clockwise. That's it. That's how simple it is. And oh my god, I struggled so much. So once again, the click sound, you place it on each other. There's this mic output over here. You just pull it out like this, rotate it. Output or input? I don't know. Mic input. Yeah, so that's over here. For people like me, it's off right now, that's how you switch it on. I'm sure battery charged था, थोड़ा charge उसमें होगा, but I was trying to press this button to switch it on, which is why probably it didn't work. I'm not changing the settings of the camera, of course, because I don't know any of them. I'm going to learn and research. I've set it on the video mode, and you can see this message that will be displayed. Right now the lenses are locked. You can see this little button. It has this lock system. You need to pull it down and twist your lens in order to use them. If you want to retract your lens, again pull it, and it's locked, and now you can't do anything with it. Let me quickly give you a demo because this unboxing is going on forever and forever. I'm not going to waste any more time. Right now, of course, we are shooting on the iPhone 10, and now I'm going to be switching to my Canon EOS M50 in 3, 2, and 1. So that is the footage from my camera, and oh my, why do I feel I look prettier in this camera? Say hi to my dental enamel. This looks so amazing. Okay, now of course I don't have any expertise. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the screen, by the way. The lens is over here. I'm just trying to see how it looks. For people like me who are learning to edit and all of that, I think this camera is amazing. Look at the color, man. Color correction भी करने की मुझे लगता नहीं ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ेगी या बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. It's looking so pretty. Okay, one more thing amazing about this camera is the quick autofocus. One of the major reasons I did not buy the Canon G7X Mark III, because it has pathetic autofocus. So let us quickly try this. Right now, the focus is on my face. Oh, that's damn quick. This is a very important aspect of this camera. Yeah, it looks so amazing. So now all the videos that I'll be seeing, oh, except the 2 videos that I've already shot, all the other videos that you will be seeing will be from this camera of mine. And I think we're going to end this video. I'm going to end it on my iPhone 10 for one last time. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's going to help you in your journey. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon below so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and keep smiling.